Welcome, Peaches and Scouts, to a little bit of narrative surrounding the trip that we did, Brian and myself, through Namibia, which we are calling NAM 2024 Road. So the perspective that one got from being on the water as opposed to on land was really quite interesting and quite powerful. Just as soon as you were in the water, you were also kind of in the mist, and what was very kind of disorienting was certainly the thought when you were a short way out at sea. You had no idea where you were. Like, you can imagine if the boat we were on, for whatever reason, turned over and we were in the water, you would have no idea in which direction to swim, because there would be literally no bearing. The sun was shining to some extent through the fog, but you wouldn't really have any idea which way to go. I suppose you could swim towards the sun, but that might not necessarily be the nearest position to where you were. The other thing that was really interesting was seeing how the certain ships and boats kind of appeared out of nowhere. But this episode we want to really talk about a particular character, an avian character that visited the boat in the form of a pelican.
Hey, babe. Come say good morning.
Is this also your pet?
Yeah, we have a couple of pelicans. We have Chuck, Charlie, Chantal, Jacqueline, and Babe.
Uh-huh.
I think you...
Yeah, so.
Just see if it's the other one.
It's on this side, on that side.
Come. That's Chuck. That's my favorite pelican. Usually when he comes onto the boat, you can't get him off the boat, but he's pretty good with selfies. Come.
Wow, I've never been this close to a pelican.
Yeah. Big feet.
Nick,
Come.
this was the
Chuck.
bad experience and a half. So oh, yeah. He wants it.
Oh, get away from those motors.
No, it's okay.
Oh, is it okay?
Come.
Yeah, the blades don't turn in.
Come on, jump on. Hey, back here. Good.
Which side today?
This is the most irritating pelican ever. You never get him off the boat, and now I'm struggling to get him on the boat.
Here he comes.
Is this like the front? Maybe you already ate.
Yay!
You almost got it. These pelicans are obviously quite tame. And it's amazing, I've never been this close.
That pelican knows we are a sure thing.
Yeah, exactly.
So he's like,
It's a sure thing.
It's pretty easy. He's good with, we hold him and touch him, hug him. Yeah, he's pretty cool usually. Go. 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 on, buddy. Come. 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 Stop. There we go. There we go. Up. Good shot. Go, buddy. Good.
Hey, you slapped me.
He high-fived you.
Yeah, with my face.
Il a une envergure. Combien les ailes? Regarde l'envergure qu'il a.
Yeah, he's big.
Say good morning. Say good morning. Come on. All right, so this is my favorite pelican. His name is Chuck. This is the great white pelican. Now you find them all along the west coast of Africa. You also find them in America. Only that the ones here along the Namibian coastline are a lot smarter. That is because they have a very good teacher.
Critical thinkers.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the reason why I say that they are smarter is here they get older. Here the pelicans can get up to an age of about 30 years old. The oldest pelican we had was 35. And then this exact same bird in America, only about 15 or 16 years. So the same bird, but a very big difference in their age. And the reason why is that they feed different. Don't worry, it happens. It's my punishment for not having children.
Apparemment, le pélican, c'est l'espérance de vie des pélicans ici, et il vient
The reason why they feed different. We have a lot of lagoons in shallow waters. They work in teams, chase the fish to shallower waters, and then they scoop it up with this pouch. That pouch can expand and hold up to 11 liters of water. They drain out the water, they swallow the fish. In America, they eat too much McDonald's, so they get cholesterol and too heavy to fly. In America, the waters are deeper, the fish are much deeper. They've adapted. They've learned to fly from a great height to dive into the water. These birds are not built for diving. It hurts their eyes, they go blind, they can't fish anymore, so they starve. And also, they can't judge the depth of the water and sometimes plummet straight to the shallow waters. Look there, guys, that's the compass jellyfish.
Oh, over there.
You don't touch those.
So you're gonna stink like a fish.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
You want to photo sit?
Sorry?
Yes, sit. All right.
Non, tu veux pas, non. Je te force pas.
No, wait. Oh, sorry.
Ouais.
Yes, yeah.
Ouais, les grandes ailes. Alors l'albatros, qu'est-ce que je vois? L'albatros.
Can you fish in there? I think there's my lens cap fell in there. In that,
Sorry, where?
in there.
Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. I'll hold it for you.
You are
Okay,
beautiful.
thanks.
Il fait sécher ses ailes.
Bon alors, tu décides là, et la vidéo elle commence à être longue là, hein, attention. Allez, 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 allez.
Non, il est bien avec nous.
Ouais, c'est bien avec nous.
They're big birds, huh?
Yeah.
À tous
Il y a
les
quelque chose. Il y a la puce qui te démange.
When they fly, they look a bit like dinosaurs, like those
Yeah, yeah,
pterodactyls.
pterodactyl.
Yeah. I think we're going to seals. The seal, can you hear the seals on that island?
Oh yeah, wow, now there's a lot of seals.
hope you've enjoyed this episode from Team Peachtree. Keep weaving, and I'll see you guys next time.